Okay.
The spring, zip reducer. Zip reducer goes on first. Lines up. Connects. That's your spring booster adapter. There's a little notch cut out here for a little notch just here. That clips on. Notch. Spline rail. That slides in. There's a solid notch that should line up with the zip and a cutout that should line up with the spline. And then it should sit like that. On the other side, you have a zip reducer 2, idle spindle. They go in together and then that just slides in on the other side.
Thank you very much.